to Kulfi Forms. It's a spreadsheet add-on that you can install and use its form in Google Spreadsheet for free. I'll show you today our mobile app feedback form. I don't like the colors. Also want to make the text in 2 columns. I'll return to my spreadsheet to change that. I'll make the form display in 2 columns. And I'll select green for the body background color. I'll change the form titles to feedback form for our mobile app. For the bottom text, let's make its background color gray. Increase its size from here and it changes the font from here. And we'll make the text color black instead of white. Text alignment, it's better for me to make it in center, and that's fine for me. I'll refresh this link and it's completely synced to my spreadsheet. So everything I did will change here successfully. Yeah, awesome. Here are the form after the changes we have done. But in fact, I feel the text in 1 column was better. So let's go back again and make it in 1 column. Refresh the link again, and yeah, it's better now. And you feel free to play with this form many times and just refresh this link to see the changes you have done. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to install the add-on, and thanks for watching Kulfi Forms.